How to fix Google Chrome running extremely slow on Mac. So if you want to fix Google Chrome running extremely slow on Mac, then just follow the steps. If you don't regularly keep your MacBook updated, then outdated software could actually be the reason why Chrome is so slow on your Mac. You'll likely be encountering other performance issues if you haven't updated your MacBook operating system in a while. So here's how you can update it. You just need to simply open up your settings and go with the general option. So go with the system settings from the top bar Apple menu and then click on the software update available from the sidebar. Alternatively, navigate to the system settings, general, or software update. And after that, click on reset now to get started and follow the on-screen instructions to update or to install the update. Once you've done that, now the second thing you need to do is you need to update your Chrome. Chrome should update automatically in the background, but things go wrong and often updates don't happen, meaning Chrome can become outdated, glitchy, and problematic. And if you want to update your Chrome, then you just need to simply open up your Chrome. Once you open up your Chrome, select the main Chrome menu, which is here under About Chrome. On the bottom left, click on About Chrome. You need to check for updates. If you have any updates, you just need to simply go and update or relaunch. And after relaunching, you just need to simply restart and your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply clear cache and cookies. So to clear them, what you need to do is you need to open up your Chrome and select the main Chrome menu and then settings and privacy and security, which is right here. Once you go with the privacy and security, you need to clear the browsing data from the main menu and select all and click clear data, which you can do that on your Windows also, which is right here. So you can simply go with the privacy and security and then go with the delete browsing data section. And you can also go with the site settings and then clear your cookies inside. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go with the next option, which is run basic Mac maintenance. Or the next thing you can do is disable your Chrome extensions. So if you have any extensions under your Chrome, which is right here, you will have the extensions. Go with manage extensions. And if you have any extensions, then you just need to simply toggle it off or just delete them or remove them. Once you've done, your problem may be fixed. So these were the fixes and how you can fix your Google Chrome running extremely slow on your Mac. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.